Hey everyone, it's my first day in Japan. Right now I am in Tokyo. I arrived in Japan at 4:14 in the morning because my flight got delayed and I was stuck at the airport. After I got off the plane, the first thing I do is check in and went straight to bed. And then I had breakfast in the hotel. It's nice. They have the breakfast is included. Right now, I'm going to meet one of my Japanese friends. He's writing a book called Prototype City, and he's going to interview me. He's going to ask me some questions for his book, and I am heading to our meeting point. It's quite close to my hotel. But no, I'm not good. I'm not that good at navigating. Hopefully, I don't get lost. So far, I really like the city because the air quality is pretty good. The street is kind of narrow. Taxi is crazy expensive. My first impression of Japan is so clean. Their store is tiny, but it's so clean. Oh, this worker, they have really cool bags. Here right now, I am in a Japanese sushi store. I just finished my meetup with a Japanese friend who was working on his book. And let me show you. Fresh. It's already marinated. Oh, this is salmon and tuna. And I have this burger sushi. I'm gonna try it.